The KYMCO Racing King 150i is a top-tier scooter designed for urban mobility with a sporty edge. Known for its stylish design, practical features, and exceptional performance, the Racing King 150i has made a significant impact in markets like Taiwan, Southeast Asia, and is gaining recognition worldwide. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend rider, this model is built to meet diverse needs. At the heart of the KYMCO Racing King 150i is a 150 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, four-stroke engine. It's fuel-injected and liquid-cooled, which ensures smooth power delivery and efficient fuel consumption. The engine produces 14.8 horsepower at 8,500 RPM, making it one of the more powerful scooters in its class, with a focus on responsive acceleration and top-end power. The Racing King 150i is designed to stand out, combining modern aesthetics with a touch of sportiness. It features sharp body lines, aggressive front-end styling, and LED lighting for a distinctive appearance. The large dual headlight design enhances visibility at night while adding to the scooter's overall sleek look. KYMCO designed the Racing King 150i with rider comfort in mind. The scooter boasts a spacious seat with a low seat height of 785 mm (30.9 inches), making it accessible for a wide range of riders. The footboard is broad, allowing for various foot positions, which is perfect for long rides. Additionally, the rear seat has a grab rail for passenger comfort and security. One of the standout features of the KYMCO Racing King 150i is its array of modern technological enhancements. Digital LCD instrument panel, the clear and easy-to-read display provides information such as speed, fuel level, trip meter, and more. Keyless ignition, the scooter is equipped with a smart key system, enhancing convenience and security. USB charging port, ideal for charging smartphones or GPS devices on the go, making it a great option for urban commuters. Fuel efficiency is a priority for most riders, and the Racing King 150i delivers. Thanks to its fuel-injected engine and light frame, the scooter is highly economical, with an average fuel consumption of around 35 kilometers per liter, 82 miles per gallon. This makes it a cost-effective option for daily commutes and short trips. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, the KYMCO Racing King 150i ensures confident stopping power. The braking system works well in both dry and wet conditions, providing peace of mind to riders. In addition, some versions come with ABS, anti-lock braking system, further enhancing safety during emergency stops. The KYMCO Racing King 150i offers a fun and engaging riding experience, especially for urban use. Its nimble handling makes it easy to weave through traffic, while the sporty engine provides enough grunt for quick overtakes. Despite its sporty nature, it remains comfortable for long-distance rides, which makes it a versatile option for city dwellers who occasionally enjoy weekend adventures.